ये जवानी है दीवानी है.
Nice.
Naina and Bunny for life.
For life.
Okay, fantastic.
I will always be looking for a bunny and nothing else.
Have you
nothing.
found one?
Yeah.
बेपनाह प्यार है आजा.
इसका बेटर वर्जन है मूवी में, तो आप वो सुन सकते हैं.
It shouldn't look like कि बचपन में बुरा एक्टिंग करते बड़ी होके अच्छा एक्टिंग कैसे करने लगी.
ठीक है, बता. दुख रहा
What is
है.
that?
Oh, sorry, y'all don't know this is a must thing. Let me explain what this is.
हाँ.
This is new, this is medium, this is old.
अल्लाह बोल.
जय माता दी.
Let's rock.
How fun is it to meet two people who are in the middle of their promotions for a cup of coffee with their friend? This is so amazing. Shantanu Sai, thank you for stopping by.
Thank
Iced tea पीने के लिए cheers करेंगे हम. Thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers, babies.
Cheers.
Thanks, yaar.
मैं
Thanks
ज़्यादा
so
प्यासा
much.
था क्या?
All right, so this is the JDF huddle, and I'd be lying if I tell you that we're alone here. We have an entire audience sitting at the back, so give it up for them.
Yeah.
Hi guys! Thank you so much for joining us today. It's a very special huddle. Auroh Kaha Dam Tha is dropping in the cinemas, yaad rakhiyega, on the 2nd of August, and we're very, very excited. It looks like an absolutely cinematic experience. So, सबसे पहले तो theaters में जाके आपको देखना है Ajay Devgan, Tabu, and playing the younger versions of Ajay Devgan and Tabu are Shantanu and Sai.
Yeah.
I must start off by saying big shoes to fill.
Yeah.
Okay. But just cinematic quality की मैं बात कर रही थी इस पिक्चर की है. Let's talk about what were the films that you watched when you guys were growing up. So Sai, what films were you watching?
ये जवानी है दीवानी है.
Nice.
Naina and Bunny for life.
For life.
Okay, fantastic.
I will always be looking for a bunny and nothing else.
Have you
nothing.
found one?
Yeah.
All right. Are we talking about it publicly?
No. Shouldn't have said that probably.
Okay,
It's
sure.
bunny. Come on,
It's
you can't
bunny,
hide.
yeah.
Yeah, I have a pet bunny rabbit.
Oh,
Very cute
lovely.
one.
Nice save.
He likes.
Fantastic.
Committed.
Committed to my bunny rabbit.
Cute, very cute. There was one more film that you talked about some time ago, which was
Krishna Cottage.
Bro. Let's sing it. 3, 2, 1.
बेपनाह प्यार है आजा. इसका बेटर वर्जन है मूवी में, तो आप वो सुन सकते हैं.
Shantanu, तुम्हारी फिल्म when you were growing up.
दिल. दिल.
One second, आमिर खान की दिल.
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
खंबे जैसी खड़ी है दिल.
Yes.
Okay, cool.
खंबे जैसी खड़ी है वो.
खंबे जैसी खड़ी is a song.
मतलब
It is खंबे जैसी खड़ी है लड़की है या छड़ी
Oh
है.
yeah, बहुत
शोला है
बहुत
फुलझड़ी
I
है
heard this song.
पटाखे की लड़ी है
Wow.
आंखों में गुस्सा है.
Yeah,
Thank you, guys.
yeah,
Thank you.
yeah.
This
Love
is
the
just
energy,
to
love
film
the
me, just
energy.
to film me right now.
Yeah. Then
और-
हम दिल दे चुके सनम. Then कुछ होता है भी देखी है. फिर और पुरानी मतलब अमर अकबर एंथनी भी देखी है. जो
Wow.
जी सिनेमाज में आती थी ना, वो सब देखते थे. So वैसा
That's
वाला था.
amazing.
हम लोग वो वाले लोग हैं जो मैं थिएटर में कम गया हूँ to be honest, and मतलब मूवीज टीवी पे देखी है जो देखी है.
You mentioned Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam, and that's so interesting because it's Ajay sir's film.
Yes.
And here you are playing a younger Ajay Devgan. I
Yes.
do want to ask both of you, what is it like to play someone who's this towering a personality? Unka, like, you know, bachpan ka version.
I don't know. I was taking a lot of pressure initially, but then नीरज सर ने बोला इतना प्रेशर नहीं लेने का. जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ वो करना है. तुमको इतना प्रेशर मत लो कि you know that you have to play younger version of Ajay sir. It's a character. Krishna का younger version आप play कर रहे हो. So stick to that aspect of it, and I'm there to guide you. Like that's my job. That's how we say.
थोड़ी तो नकल होनी चाहिए अजय सर की.
I mean,
And I'm not talking character. I'm saying Ajay Devgan.
एक पॉइंट है जहाँ पर
I think she went अभी करके दिखाओ.
नहीं.
हाँ यार.
नहीं.
यार थोड़ा सा हो जाए.
वो औरों में कहाँ दम है to ape him. So नहीं. I don't think he wanted us to ape anything. एक बार बस वो वॉक है जो जेल वाली वॉक. I don't know how I have done it. Because मैंने कभी मॉनिटर चेक नहीं किया.
सीधा ट्रेलर पे देख लिया.
हाँ, सीधा ट्रेलर पे ही देखा है. So I mean, hopefully it has some kind of similarity.
It doesn't.
Yeah, so he wanted me to ape that. कि वो एक walk.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Fantastic. I must say this, that I think Tabu is a gem. She is the finest actor of our generation, male, female, notwithstanding. Do you agree?
I agree. And everyone in my house agrees. And since I can remember, actually, all I've heard my father say, Tabu is the best actor we have.
Bilkul.
And then to get to play Tabu ma'am as a younger version of her, it was intimidating in the beginning because I was like, it shouldn't look like कि बचपन में बुरा एक्टिंग करते बड़ी होके अच्छा एक्टिंग कैसे करने लगी. But that aside,
That's amazing.
I had to work harder, like 10 folds, because I just wanted to make it, you know how easy she is in front of the camera, to kind of even try to get there. I had to work harder. But then once Neeraj sir came into the picture, it was just smooth sailing. He was so clear with what he wanted and how to get that out of both of us. He never kind of put that pressure on us also.
Amazing.
That we were trying to put on ourselves in the beginning.
I must say the film looks great because, as I said, it's cinematic. मुझे बड़ा मजा आता है यार ये स्लो मोशन में जब हीरो चलता है, जब हीरोइन के बाल ऐसे उड़ते हैं. I am a little old school. I am just too filmy. And this film, I would tell you, ranks really high on the just too filmy meter. Because यार अगर फिल्मी है तो ये फिल्म यहाँ है. है ना? तो एक शॉट है जहाँ पर तुम ऐसे छलांग मारो. Baby, love it. But the GDF Huddle is a concept where it's very dear to me because a lot of you guys who watch the show always tell me कि आप चाहते हैं कि आप अपनी favorite stars के साथ interact करें, and a lot of you are here today because you are here to meet Sai as well as Shantanu. I think it's lovely. So we'll do this in no particular order, but I'm going to pass it to you guys and you can ask questions to them, and of course they'll answer. So Jai, shall we start with you?
One Hollywood actor and a Bollywood actor that you look up to.
Bollywood and Hollywood both. So many, how could you pick one?
Bollywood,
You
हाँ,
watch
Ranveer.
Hollywood films?
Yeah.
More than
हाँ
that.
भाई नहीं
No. I in equal amounts. I don't know how to differentiate. जो picture आती है मैं देख लेती हूँ. I'm a very frequent theatre goer.
Like not some favorite actor or something.
Of course I do. I have. There's Ranveer Kapoor who inspires me a lot in Bollywood. And in Hollywood there is Kate Winslet.
Oh,
I love Kate Winslet. Yeah.
What about
she's
you?
my favorite also.
Copy
Kate
कर लिया मैंने.
Oh my god.
अभी आप आंसर नहीं दे सकते.
नहीं मैं
You
देता.
watch most of Hollywood films?
I do watch. Leonardo DiCaprio. He's my favorite. Christian Bale. He's my favorite. So these two, and actresses में Kate Winslet and Jennifer Lawrence, Angelina
We
Jolie.
get inspired with Bollywood films, not Hollywood. Most of them. So I wanted to ask that: do you get inspired by Hollywood films or just Bollywood?
I do get inspired by Hollywood films as well in terms of cinematic things. Technically, they are a bit. I mean, we are kind of in par with them, but obviously the scale and the releases are much bigger in terms of Hollywood. Like for example, Marvel आप universe ले लो पूरा, वो वाला part हो गया. फिर बाकी सारी romantic movies भी, different movies also. Like it's inspiring. मैं बॉलीवुड बोल देता हूँ, नहीं तो लोगों को लगेगा कि इसे हॉलीवुड देखता है भाई. हाँ मतलब
ये हमारे देश में
ये शाना
नहीं
है, ये वो है. So it's just better to like stop that thing. Ajay sir really inspiring because why I will say not just because we are promoting औरों में कहाँ दम था, because the kind of work that he has done, like in terms of art, commercial, the mix that he has. I mean, it gives a lot of satisfaction to any actor or a artist to do something. कुछ चीजें मास होनी चाहिए, कुछ चीजें मसाला होनी चाहिए, कुछ चीजें अपने लिए होनी चाहिए, where you discover yourself, where you enjoy, and which helps you keep yourself rooted. Female में मैं बोलूँगा आलिया भट्ट. I think I've worked with her so up close. मैंने देखा है how great performer, what a great performer she is. At the same time, how humble she is. So,
Harshita, you have a question?
Yeah. Hi,
Who do you
Shantanu.
want to ask?
Collectively, they can answer.
Okay.
So, I'm Harshita.
yeah,
And I create content around fans. So, I want to know your fan moment, like anything, your first fan club that you want to share, that or anything that came across to you guys while you guys started your career.
Okay. So this first fan interaction was also really funny.
You will understand why she's.
My first fan interaction was also very funny, and my first fan club was also very funny. My first fan club happened before I even, like, the news of Dabang and even come out. There was a fan club, and I was like, "Ye kaun hai? Ye kaun hai?" And turned out it was actually a page to make memes and jokes about me that my school friends had made, calling it a fan club and sending me like, "Oh ma'am, we are so excited." And it was really sad. And the next day there were like some memes about me saying, "Sai before French period eating chocolate on the side." Like, I don't know what it was. So it was really sad. They tricked me into believing people are out there who love me.
Aww.
No, they love me.
But they do.
Yeah. And my first fan interaction was also very funny. So there's one person from the UK or Manchester or something, I don't know. This was before Dabang came out. It was my name had just been announced, whatever. This person texted my friend. I don't know how he found out. Texted my friend saying, I would really like to, get a message from Sai, get a message to Sai, something. So my friend showed me, "This पहली बार आया, मैं voice note भेज देती हूँ. Thank you so much. I can't wait for you to see everything that I'm doing and whatever." He messaged me back with a voice note saying, "Oh no, you misunderstanding me. I'm not a fan. I want to take you out on a date." I was like, "Bhai, tu kidhar?" And then he was a fully grown man. I was 17 at the time. And I was like,
Uncle, please.
no, not even uncle, please. I was like, you don't live in India. So if you fly me out to London, you tell me, then I'll block you.
Nice. Wow, what a story you got.
Yeah.
For me, I mean, back then when I started TV से मैंने
Yeah.
start किया ना journey, so उस समय ना threads बनते थे.
Threats?
Threads.
Threads?
Threads बनते थे. मतलब there was very big, India Forum was very big on threads, fan pages and fan stories
Yes.
and वैसा सब चीजें. So उसमें एक बार ऐसे किसी ने लिंक भेज दिया था, तो I was like reading and they were like legit उनका version of the whole thing and what they want me to do and how they want me to promote myself and this and that. So that was very interesting कि इतने लोग मतलब भावुक होके
Yeah, he
involved
had a
होके
full PR team before even coming on.
मतलब इतने पैरा लिख रहे हैं. It was fun. It was fun to see the kind of love that
Yeah.
that my character created for like people got like so this thing involved in इतना time devote कर रहे हैं. And interaction अभी recently हुआ था, मतलब there are a lot of funny interactions, but अभी जो recently ध्यान है, I was watching a film, went to washroom obviously बीच में, and then suddenly like if I'm standing here where Sai is like, "Hey,"
What?
and then still
You
yeah, I'm like doing my job.
ये तो सिर्फ आप ऊपर का दिखा रहे हैं.
Exactly, I'm doing my job and he's like, "Hey," and he's there, and I'm like, "You are." Yes. I recognized you. I said, "Good." Can I ask you? I said, "Can you wait?" Oh, that was very funny. That was the most hilarious. And like, it's only one word conversation that we're having. And I'm like, "Understand, bro. Give me space."
do you ever refuse that you are you?
We're all gonna do this.
Yeah, that
to
I've
Shantanu.
done.
I've done it.
Hey, okay,
Hey.
3, 2, 1. Hey.
उसको PTSD हो जाएगा बेचारे को यार.
Oh, thank you so
Thank
much
you.
for your question. I want to pass it to Purvi and then Zara.
So I want to ask Shantanu, you just said about Chawl and you've lived
Yeah.
in Calcutta. So what do you miss the most?
Calcutta?
Yeah.
Sweets, actually.
Yeah.
Bengal sweets. Yeah, I miss. Also, the life there is much slower as compared to Mumbai. Mumbai is always like fast and hustle bustle. कुछ ना कुछ चलता ही रहेगा. 12 बजे भी honking होगी, traffic मिल सकता है आपको. 1 बजे भी आप excuse दे सकते हैं कि मैं traffic में अटक गया. So which is not possible in Calcutta at all. Post 9 o'clock झूठ बोल रहा है. So I think that is something that I miss. And obviously गंगा के किनारे में, मेरा घर गंगा के किनारे था, तो just like a walk around that place, around Ganga Ghat, that was used to be like very refreshing.
हमारा मीठी नदी है.
जो कि ढूंढनी पड़ती है. जो
मेरा actually दादर बीच था. I was very happy.
हाँ, but actually वो तो फिर भी है. हाँ.
हाँ. दादर beach
Yeah.
is lovely.
Yeah, so
Thank you, Purvi. That's such a lovely question. Zaria, thank you so much
Hi,
for
Sai.
joining us. Go for it.
हाय साई,
Hello.
कोई आप एक मराठी फिल्म कर रहे हैं क्या आप?
अभी
आपकी
तो नहीं कर
फेवरेट
रही हूँ।
मराठी फिल्म,
मेरी फेवरेट
आप मराठी
film।
फैमिली से बैकग्राउंड करती है,
हाँ जी
तो आपका कुछ इंटरेस्ट है मराठी फिल्म्स करने में?
बिल्कुल जी बिल्कुल
ये
है
और
आप
कोई
आपने
upcoming
उनको
projects
बताया
है?
मराठी फिल्म, मराठी बैकग्राउंड से हो कि आपने उनको
Yes,
पूछा?
yes, पूछा हूँ।
थोड़ा
ये बताया उनको,
आप
बता भी दिया हूँ।
नहीं आप बोलो ना मेरे को कोई मूवी मराठी मूवी दे मेरे को तो पापा के साथ करनी है लेकिन पहली वाले
यस
उनको बोलो मेरे को टाइम दे
यस यस
फिर डन फिर मैं 100% करूंगी
यस
लेकिन मैंने एक्चुअली मेरी पहली फिल्म मराठी ही थी मैं जब 8 साल की थी तभी काकस स्पर्श नाम की फिल्म है जो मेरी फेवरेट फिल्म थी
I want at this point for us to have a game. Are you guys ready?
Yay! Are we
Okay.
winning anything?
Sure. Yes.
Shoes?
Sure.
Sure, okay.
Mazi Cafe will give you anything that you want on the house.
Done.
All right, ready? So this is a good old game of Damshana.
Ah,
Okay, so I will give you the name of the film, and all of us have to guess कि film का नाम क्या है.
okay.
ठीक है? So Shantanu, if I give Sai, then you also have to guess.
अच्छा,
the rest
अच्छा,
them also
हाँ,
have to guess. Are you ready? Okay, the first film. Okay, आप पूछ सकते हैं इंग्लिश हिंदी जो भी हो. Yeah,
3 words.
3 words. हिंदी.
मुझे क्या पता? दुख रहा
What is
है
that?
Oh, sorry, you all don't know. This is the last thing. Let me explain what this is.
हाँ.
This is new, this is medium, this is old. So I
अच्छा.
don't.
Definitely,
Okay.
definitely old babe.
Oh,
हाँ.
थर्ड वर्ड. खून भरी मांग.
Bhai, Sindoor is the word.
फर्स्ट वर्ड का फर्स्ट हाफ. दूर. तू. इधर. वहाँ. इधर. उधर. उधर. उधर पहला पार्ट. हाँ, उधर. उधर का कुछ और आगे करना है ना. उधार.
Whoa!
उधार एक सिंदूर. सेकंड वर्ड. कौन. उधार.
house Marathi.
Udhar.
Hindi is in English.
Hmm.
Marathi is something very derogatory, so I can't do it.
You guys are loud, by the way. I'm just saying,
I
like,
can't do that.
just in
so,
case.
So this is Hindi. Okay, no, this is Hindi. This is English because we are proud to be Hindi, and this is Marathi. Okay, so I'm helping her. Udhar ka sindoor is the right answer. All right, the second one is for. Oh my God, I love this one. Are you ready? Oh my God.
Okay, this is going to be fun.
Yeah.
6, right?
5.
5? अच्छा, pays. Okay.
No, pay के साथ it's 5 ना.
गरम तवे पे नाश्ती चुड़ैल.
What? Yeah, that's
What? How did you do this?
Because we played after all. You said pay out a गरम तवे पे नाश्ती चुड़ैल.
This is so unfair. तुमने सबके लिए सब यहाँ पे उम्मीद लगाए बैठे थे. शांतनु का turn. शांतनु का turn रह गया यार. शांतनु मेरे को दूसरा वाला दे दो. आजा तेरे को दूसरे वाला देते हैं.
Okay.
You know the.
नहीं. मैं बीच का पूछ के आता.
हाँ.
I think I know this also.
Don't say it.
Is it?
She's too good at this. 6 words.
Oh, अच्छा वो.
First word.
Fuck.
Glass, पानी. Jal. I know this movie. I won't say it.
Yeah!
Oh my God.
Well done. Fantastic. क्या बात है यार.
मेरी ऑडियंस को पता है.
क्या बात है.
I'm just saying.
एक और दीदी को दिया ही जाए.
हाँ.
Okay, 1 each. Okay, I will give you.
Actually, Sai should do it because she knows. ये क्या ही है?
She's like too easy.
बागबान. English. कौन करता है? Pool.
Oh, well done. That pool was easy. Answer for you.
Okay. मेरा तो क्या, मैं
बहुत tough है ये.
Okay.
I don't know how he's going to do it. It's very tough.
It's one only, ना?
ये हर चीज में confusion चल रहा है.
हाँ.
हल्ला बोल.
क्रांति.
जय हो.
जय हिंद.
It's a good college, but it's okay. HR is better.
Oh, nice. कभी नहीं छूटता ये.
कृष्णा.
Ah,
भद्रकाली. घूंघट. बच्चा. जय माता दी.
let's rock.
जय संतोषी माँ.
दो वर्ड बोले अभी तक.
अरे हाँ ठीक है, छोड़ना है यार. इसीलिए.
सेकंड पार्ट.
दिल. जिस्म.
And she says it was like jisam. Oh God.
Then I would have done.
ये तो epic था.
सुकून.
धड़कन.
रूह. दिल. हार्ट. मन.
महिमा.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. Guys, I must say both of you got both your, you got too many right. But I have realized that I should never call Sai on a night of dumb charades because ये बिना ये नंबर का ये जितने भी words हो बोलते what did you say? गरम तवे पे नाचते छोड़े. This is the huddle and that's what it's about. It's about actually finding some really good quality time with some of your favorite stars. I hope you guys had a good time today at the huddle. Yes. Anybody else has any questions for them? This is your chance. If anybody wants to ask a question. Tick, tick, 1, 2, 3. Time's up. Okay, great. Before you go, I would love for you to tell my audience why this film is special for you.
Okay.
Play.
Why this is special is obviously because it's Neeraj Pandey sir's film. It's after a very long time that he has come back with his direction. And it has Ajay sir, it has Tabu ma'am, Jimmy sir, Sai is there, MM साहब का music है, and मनोज मुत्तशीर के lyrics हैं, and और क्या क्या है?
तुम
प्यार
हो,
है.
तुम दोनों हो.
अच्छा हाँ, and it's a love story with Neeraj sir's thriller aspect to it, and it's a very different kind of love story. आजकल ऐसी movies नहीं बन रही है. It has lifespan of 23 years and more. So yeah, please do witness it. And बहुत easy है witness करना. 2nd August को चले जाओ थिएटर में.
क्या बात है.
Near you, कहीं में भी टिकट मिल
क्या बात
जाएगी आपको. पर प्री बुक करके जाना बेटर रहेगा.
हाँ,
Of course,
Preferred
100%.
seats.
Preferred seats.
Yeah.
And also it's a love story that will give you butterflies in your stomach while keeping you on the edge of your seat.
Yeah.
And which is like just like a mix of emotions. It's going to be a lot of fun to experience. And go to the theater, watch it. बहुत सारा प्यार दो क्योंकि हमने बहुत प्यार से बनाई है.
Yeah.
Yeah.
तो मेहनत से भी.
I wish you guys और मेहनत से भी. I wish you guys all the luck. और
Thank you
मेरे
so
show
much.
पर और मेरे इस huddle में आने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.
Thank you so much for having us. It's a lovely initiative, I would say, and
Thank you.
keep rocking.
Thank you so much.
you. Hi, I'm Saima Manjrekar और मैंने आज बहुत सारी बातें की है रोटॉक्स के साथ. So please like, share and subscribe to our channel.
Guys, hi, मैं हूँ शांतनु माहेश्वरी और मैंने भी बहुत सारी बातें की है रोटक के साथ. So please like, share and subscribe to our channel.
Just to feel me, just to feel me.